Hello, car owners of the United Kingdom. Welcome back to TPMS Warehouse, your trusted source for everything tire pressure sensor related. Today, we're busting the myths surrounding TPMS sensors. Let's separate fact from fiction. First up, the idea that TPMS sensors are just luxury add-ons. This couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, TPMS sensors are a legal requirement in the UK for all new vehicles since 2014. These sensors are crucial in monitoring your tire pressure, keeping you safe on the road and improving fuel efficiency. Myth number 2? That you should only worry about your tire pressure when the warning light comes on. Relying solely on this can leave you in a sticky situation. Tire pressure should be checked regularly, even if no warning light is present. TPMS sensors are there as a backup, not a substitute for regular tire maintenance. Another common myth is that TPMS sensor replacement is costly and complicated. Here at TPMS Warehouse, we make it simple and affordable. With replacement sensors for as low as £35, your tires are in good hands without breaking the bank. Now that we've busted some common TPMS sensor myths, it's time to keep your tires in check and your journeys safe. Don't forget to visit TPMS Warehouse at tpmswarehouse.co.uk for all your TPMS sensor needs. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tire care tips.